Hey y'all, Lindsey here, back with another round of Whimsy goodness. For any newcomers, this is your weekly crash course for all things Pinata community, a sneak peek into exciting projects, and a pinch of techie genius to keep you ahead of the game. And if you want to deep dive into anything I talk about during these videos, they will be in the description down below. Let's get started. Starting off with some updates on our vibrant community. With Discord, our community continues to grow, boasting a count of 3,716 members and 39 new members joining just last week. It's a hub of knowledge and networking. If you've been contemplating joining, there's no better time than now. The link is below as mentioned. Our social post of the week, not just limited to Discord and Instagram, actually originates in Discord as well. We're organizing focused calls with our dedicated product team. The aim is to gather invaluable insights directly from developers navigating Pinata. Your experiences, suggestions, and critiques are paramount. Interested? Schedule a meet on our Calendly, and let's collectively shape the future trajectory of Pinata. Moving on to Powered by Pinata, this week the limelight is on Game 7. Imagine a place that's turbocharging blockchain gaming, blending passion, tech, and a dash of idealism. That's Game 7 for you. They're not just about playing games, but reshaping how we all experience them. With a mind-boggling treasure chest of 500 million, big ups to the big DAO and Forte. To back this vision, the possibilities are endless. From events to research, tools to education, they're on a mission to align the gaming stars. Now turning our sights over to upcoming events. This week I'll be highlighting the Solana Hacker House in Berlin. Save the date! August 31st to September 3rd, 2023. Berlin won't just be about historic sites and doner kebabs. It's going to be tech central. Gear up for 4 days of unfiltered, hands-on sessions with the brainiacs from Solana Labs. Get those questions ready, pack some comfy shoes, and make sure your tech appetite is ravenous. And last but not least, tech lovers, this one's for you. I am going to be talking about how to set up an ERC6551 with iFrame. If you didn't know already, ERC6551 is reshaping the Ethereum NFT landscape. But how can one showcase this innovation? Our detailed guide, powered by insights from TokenBound and OpenSea, walks you through the intricacies. Whether a seasoned developer or a curious novice, there's something for everyone. That wraps up another week of Weekly Whimsy. If you are connecting with what I'm putting out there, please consider hitting the subscribe button and expanding our Pinata circle. Until next week, this is Lindsey signing off. Have a great rest of your week. Bye.